10 print-on-demand products you can sell without investing in inventory, part 1 of 2. Hey guys, I know that print-on-demand is amazing and a lot of people are making a lot of money. So what I did is I broke this into 2 videos. It's a lot of information. It's really going to help you out. By the time you finish this video and the next video, you'll be able to set up your print-on-demand business. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 of the best products to sell for print on demand, and then the next video I'll talk about how to design them, how to market them, and how to price them so that they fly off the shelf. So let's get going right now. Don't forget, also subscribe and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications. Once you subscribe, a bell will pop up. Click on that, turn on all notifications so you know every time I do a video. Now I love print on demand, and the reason I love print on demand is because you can come up with a product and you can partner with one of these print-on-demand companies and you don't have to buy any inventory. Matter of fact, the product's not even made until somebody does buy it. That's why print-on-demand is amazing, and there's tons of sites you can do it at. I do want to concentrate on the top products, and then you can select a site that will be best for you. Now here's the cool thing. When I see people doing print on demand, they pretty much do wall art and unisex t-shirts, and while those are good, there's a lot more products that sell really well, and a lot of people don't get into them because they don't even know about them. In this video I'm going to share all of them with you so you have a better idea of what you can sell, and you can make more money. You can sell all of them. So let's get started, and I've got to say it, number 1 is unisex t-shirts. It is the #1 selling product for print on demand. Now the cool thing about unisex t-shirts is that it's a year-round thing. People wear long and short sleeve t-shirts year-round. It's not like swimsuits, you know, that only part of the year they're going to be using that particular product. Now while all kinds of t-shirts sell well, the #1 best-selling color is black. So when you're thinking of designs, I want you to keep that in mind, that what is my design going to look like on a black t-shirt, because that's the #1 purchased t-shirt is black. Keep that in mind and make sure that's offered to your audience. I also want to share with you, buy good quality t-shirts. If you buy t-shirts that are not running true to size, I guarantee you're going to have returns, because a lot of people don't read that it's not true to size, and not true to size usually means cheap. So you want to make sure you're buying good quality t-shirts, or you're going to have a lot of refunds and it's going to crush you. So make sure you do that. You also want to make sure you have a sizing chart, because some people actually don't know what size they wear, and that sizing chart can really help them out. Here's a good example right here of a sizing chart, and as you see, it's right next to the product they're selling. It's got small, medium, large, extra large, and 2XL, and it's got the length and the width of the shirt, which really helps people out, and they appreciate that extra information, and you're going to appreciate not getting refunds. Now the next category is children's t-shirts. Oh my gosh, people love to put sayings and designs on their kids. It's amazing. But when you get into children's t-shirts, you want to be very selective about who you pick for print on demand, because when you say children, what age is that? Is that teens? Is that toddlers? Is that infants? Make sure that you pick a print on demand company that can cover all those different sizes. If they only cover 1 or 2, it's going to cost you business. The next category that is really big now is mugs. People have loved mugs for years, but it's really grown. Now you'll find that in the mug market, when people are buying coffee mugs, tea mugs, whatever, certain times a year your sales will skyrocket. Like around Christmas time, of course, they're going to go up, but they have seen sales that are continuing year-round now. And don't think about your standard white simple mug, small mug. Get something bigger, get something that's enamel coated, get something that's maybe made out of tin. People don't mind spending a little bit more money for a mug. Now would I personally do it? Probably not, but I don't go by what I would personally do. People love these mugs to self-identify. Cat mom, here you go, here's a cat mom mug right here. You can see that one there. That's a pretty cool looking mug, and it looks like it's high quality also. That's another thing. People don't mind spending a little bit more money for a decent looking mug. Now I want to add to that, people buy mugs to self-identify, so stay away from putting your logo or your company symbol or something like that on there. They don't want that. They want to self-identify, so keep any of your company logos off the mugs. Number 4, all over print hoodies. Now what does all over print mean? It means actually you can print any spot on that particular hoodie. It used to be you could only print on the front or the back or the sleeves or something like that, but these have become extremely trendy, and people love that they can print on the entire hoodie now. So that's a great product. Keep in mind, you want to make sure whoever your print on demand company is that they can actually make these all over prints. Not every print on demand company can do this, but they're a lot more popular. And you may say to yourself, well gosh, they're a lot more expensive. People don't mind paying for these. I'm telling you, this is one of the products where you can charge a lot more money for them and make a lot more money too, which is the important part. Now here's a great example of all over print hoodies, and they're not cheap. If you check these out here, they're $74.95, so they're not inexpensive, but people seem to like it so much that they spend the money. Number 5 is all over print yoga pants. These have skyrocketed in demand. People love this particular product. Now keep in mind, and I'll put on the screen here, that these things actually sell for a lot more money too. This one here is $49.95, $39.95, $49.95. you know, just like the all over print hoodies, all over print yoga pants are priced accordingly. You're going to be targeting a higher price point by increasing the perceived value with super cool design. Now here's the interesting thing. Consider coming up with new designs every month. People who like this product don't assume because they bought a pair of yoga pants they're not buying more. They want more and more and more of these. There's been a lot of companies that have done very well where they come out with a new design every month or every week even, and the same customer will buy from you over and over again. Number 6 is engraved jewelry. I like engraved jewelry because we have some heavy products. We have a survival food company and we sell canned meats, and they're really heavy, and jewelry is so lightweight. So what does that mean? It costs a lot less to get it to the customer, and it keeps more money in your pocket. Also, jewelry will allow people to self-identify. Maybe it's a cutout of their state, or maybe it has something to do with dogs or cats or something they believe in. People love to self-identify, and that's why I love selling jewelry. It's a great product. Number 7, custom print posters. Now I know ever since I was a kid, posters were popular. They've always been popular, and they probably will always be popular. But what I would tell you is that you want to make sure you don't skimp on quality. You want a very high resolution picture for that poster. And when you're doing a t-shirt, if you're doing a hoodie, you can get by with lower resolution because it's on material and you don't notice it. But when you do a poster, it's got to be really high resolution. Make sure you're selling quality there. I would tell you to opt for at least 300 DPI on the resolution to make it look good on a poster. Higher if you can. Number 8 is socks. People have gone crazy over socks. There's all kinds of sock companies now. You can put words on there, you can put pictures on there, you can put all kinds of things on socks. Everybody wears socks, right? And it's always easy to sell them because of the sizing. Most socks are one size fits all, so you don't have all the problems and all the issues with that going on either. So I would also say number 8, socks is a great product to sell. Number 9 is Champion jackets. Yeah, Champion jackets. You can actually take a brand name like that, like Champion, and you can actually print on them. Champion is doing very, very well in the print on demand market. I highly recommend you trying out Champion products. And number 10, tote bags. Totes are great. So many women love to have different tote bags. They use them for groceries, they use them for carrying stuff around. Tote bags are awesome. Maybe they're going to concerts, they need those tote bags. Maybe they're going to the beach, and you can also have your design match a lot of those different things. You can have a beach type tote, you can have a travel type tote, and you can have different designs that match all those things, and many women will buy them for all these different occasions. So that's a great product. Now after you finish this video, which you just did, congratulations to you, you want to go on to video 2, where I talk about how to design, how to create, how to market, all these things, because knowing what products to sell, that's only the beginning. You need to go to video 2. I will have a link below in the description where you can go to video 2 and continue watching so you can make money on all these great ideas that you have. I really thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified every single time I do a new video. In addition to that, give me one of these, give me the thumbs up. Cost you nothing. It will really help the distribution of this video. I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, go to video 2, do it now. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.